Welcome to the Minus Method, to live your life fully and enjoyably, every day, minus the challenges that have been holding you back. Your Minus Method session is intended to place you into a hypnotic state of consciousness. Please do not listen to this session while driving or operating any vehicle or machinery or at any other time which requires your full awakened attention. Take a nice, deep breath. And as you exhale, allow your eyes to close. Listen to the sound of my voice. Just allow yourself to relax more and more with every easy breath you take, and every word I say, appreciating how good it feels. Just allow yourself to relax, appreciating the time you spend for yourself, appreciating the way you feel, and allowing yourself to become more and more relaxed with every easy breath you take and every word I say. I want you to notice how you needn't do anything. You can just let go. Direct your attention toward your left foot. Notice how that left foot feels. I want you to relax that left foot completely, allowing every muscle throughout your entire left foot to just relax, relaxing all muscles and all joints throughout your entire left foot, noticing how good that feels. I want you to push that relaxation up over your ankle and into your left calf. Perhaps you start to notice how that left foot feels heavy, and perhaps you start to notice how that left foot may feel heavy or light, or may not even seem to exist. And that takes you down deeper. And the deeper you go, the more comfortable, the more secure you feel. And the deeper you go, the more comfortable and secure you feel. Just allowing that left foot, that left calf muscle, to completely relax. Now, pushing that relaxation over your knee and into your left thigh, feeling so good in every way. I want you to direct your attention toward your right foot. Relax that foot totally, relaxing all the joints, relaxing all the muscles throughout your entire right foot. I want you to push that relaxation up over your right calf. I want you to push that relaxation over your right ankle and right over your right calf. Every muscle loose, every joint relaxed. The more relaxed you become, the deeper you go. The deeper you go, the more confident, the more secure you feel. I want you to push that relaxation now up into your right thigh. Pushing that relaxation, just noticing how your legs are starting to settle in, how they needn't do anything but relax. And perhaps you begin to notice your left foot. And as you do, it takes you down to a more pleasant state of mind. Perhaps you become aware of your right foot. Your entire lower body feeling so serene, so peaceful. Pushing that relaxation up into your pelvis area, right up into your abdomen, relaxing all your stomach muscles now, just allowing all muscles to go loose, limp, relax, noticing how good it feels, directing some attention straight up over the middle of your torso, allowing your shoulders to completely relax, directing particular attention towards your left shoulder, allowing those muscles and that joint to completely go loose, limp, relax. Allowing those fingers throughout your left hand to be completely free of any strain, allowing your left hand completely and totally to relax, and allowing that relaxation to wash up over your wrist and into your forearm and across your bicep, allowing that left arm to be completely loose, limp, relaxed. Directing special attention now towards your right shoulder. Just allow all stress to be released, and allowing that right shoulder to go completely limp, allowing all muscles throughout your entire right hand to just let go, allowing the joints to just be completely relaxed, and pushing that relaxation up over your wrist and across your forearm and over your bicep, completely relaxing, feeling wonderful, and allowing all strain from your lower back to just disappear now. Allow it to happen automatically. Allow the entire back to just relax. Allow your shoulder blades, allow your entire back and shoulder blades to just relax, allowing every muscle throughout your neck, allowing every muscle throughout your neck to just let go, and pushing that relaxation up into your face now, allowing your cheeks to relax, allowing all those small little muscles around your eye to just go limp, allowing those muscles around your eyes to just go limp, relaxing them, noticing how good that feels, relaxing your forehead, relaxing your cheek muscles, relaxing your jaw. And now, sending a pleasant wave of relaxation from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, feeling so good in every way. And perhaps you notice warmth. Perhaps certain areas of your body are beginning to feel warmer now. Perhaps you're directing some attention towards your right hand and noticing how that hand feels. And as you do, it takes you down deeper. And it makes you consider and think about what it would be like to be outside, feeling the sun pour down on you, feeling comfortable, feeling secure in every way. Maybe you begin to look up and notice there's a feather falling, a feather flying gracefully in the air, down towards you, slowly, gracefully. As that feather drops, it drops you down deeper, so you can feel more confident, more secure, more relaxed. And it makes you imagine a time when you felt so good about yourself. Perhaps you could hear the sounds of those times in your mind. You feel the warmth pouring over you from the sun, but you remember that with every word I say, it drops you down deeper so that you can feel better. And you notice that feather getting closer. The closer it gets to you, the further down you drop, feeling so good in every way. I'm now going to begin counting down from 5 to 1. Each time I say a number, it will take you down twice as deep as the number before, twice as deep so that you can feel twice as good, twice as secure, twice as confident. And with each number I say, it will take you down deeper. It will still your conscious mind. And every number I say will take you down to an area of security, feeling safe. 5. Deeper, relaxed, feeling so good in every way, just letting everything go. 4. This is your time, a special time for you that you appreciate, that you're committed to for making change in your life. 3. Deeper, relaxed, doubling that relaxation with each and every number, noticing how good you feel. 2. Deeper now, profoundly relaxed, peaceful, feeling good in every way, appreciating the way you feel, appreciating the feather gracefully falling, dropping you down deeper with every movement it makes. 1. Deeper, relaxed now, feeling so good in every way, and every easy breath you exhale, and every word I say takes you down deeper so that you can feel better. Take a deep breath in, and as you do, allow your lungs to fill with oxygen. And then breathe out, and as you do, release tension from your body. Breathe in again, breathing in positivity, breathing in motivation and a desire for change. And then breathe out, breathing out worry, breathing out stress and strain. Breathe in again, breathing in desire, breathing in motivation, and breathe out, letting go of any worry, fear, or anxiety, so that you remain in a peaceful state of mind, ready to accept change. I am speaking directly to your subconscious mind at this moment. Your subconscious mind is that part of your mind that receives information, accepts it as truth and fact, and then enacts a change in your physiology in order to match that truth or that fact. When speaking to your subconscious mind, we bypass anything that might limit your ability to process this information. We bypass your body and mind's ability to say no to this information. So we're going to now change the way you think about eating. The key to an active and productive mind is relaxation and breathing. As you focus on your breathing, as you relax your body, you strengthen your mind. This is a way to achieve enlightenment, to achieve energy, positivity, to receive information, messages, and emotions from the universe, to allow them into your life, to bless you and those around you, to allow you to feel fulfilled and whole and complete and at peace. We are going to practice an exercise now. You're going to take a deep breath in, hold it, and let it out. Breathe in again, in, hold it, and let it out. In, hold it, and let it out. Continue breathing in this circular fashion. In, hold, and let it out. And as you do, notice how your body begins to tingle, starting from the tips of your toes, gently tingling, feeling a pulse of energy washing from the tips of your toes up your spine to the top of your head. Again, a gentle wave of energy tingling from the tips of your toes, traveling up your spine, up to the top of your head. And as you breathe, and as you imagine this sensation, your mind is now suddenly aware. Your mind is now suddenly aware of what is going on in the universe. Any messages, any information for you in your life are now readily available. Continue breathing. Continue imagining these pulsations of energy from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. And as you do, you begin to feel more and more enlightened. Enlightenment is a state of mind. You have achieved this and will achieve this each and every time you practice this exercise. It will become compounded, strengthened, easier to accomplish each and every time. This enlightenment fills your body with energy, fills your mind with energy, fills you with peace and joy and warmth, feeling good now in every way. And as you drift down deeper, you feel so good, naturally relaxed and comfortable. With every breath you take, it drops you down deeper, and the deeper you go, the more rested and relaxed you become. You are relaxed, comfortable, drifting down, down, down. And perhaps you think back to a time you felt so relaxed. It's almost like a dream. Think back to a time when relaxation was all around you. Perhaps you see yourself relaxing outdoors. Feel the warmth from the sun. Notice your breathing, how comfortable you are. Perhaps you hear sounds. And as you rest there, outdoors, it drops you down deeper. And you look overhead and notice a bird floating, drifting like a cloud. And as you rest comfortably on the cloud, you are fully supported, and notice that it holds you so perfectly that it feels so good, fitting you perfectly, supporting you to allow you to just relax. And the bird overhead is so graceful, floating, soaring peacefully, circling overhead in a manner that allows you to feel at one with everything around you. As the bird circles overhead, you begin to notice that each time it circles, it drops you down deeper. That each time it circles, you become more relaxed, drifting peacefully down, no cares or concerns, nothing to think about. Ever circling down, and perhaps you notice your breathing now. You have altered your breathing. You are so relaxed. Your heart rate has altered. Your blood pressure has changed, drifting down further and further. Dropping down, and the deeper you go, the better you feel. And the better you feel, the deeper you go. And you notice the bird, and you feel peaceful rest coming over you. You have perfect sleep, restful sleep, easy, carefree, simple. It's what you want. You have what you want, naturally, easily, and it's for you. You sleep soundly and easily, just that way. You notice how comfortable you are with no thoughts, relaxing, drifting down, easily and naturally sleeping soundly. Peace and relaxation are yours. It's what you want, and you deserve it. You deserve sleeping, drifting down, and you continue dropping down deeper and deeper, feeling so good. You rest peacefully. And now as you drift off to sleep, you will awaken naturally, feeling rested and looking forward to our next session. If for any reason you need to awaken before your sleep ends, you may do so as you desire. 1. Feeling so peaceful. 2. Drifting naturally. 3. Letting go of trance and entering natural sleep. 4. That's right. 5. Naturally sleeping now.